Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the voice chat mode in Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is launch Marvel Rivals on your PC or on your console. And then from here, get to this homepage and then select the settings icon that appear on the top right corner. Select that. And then from the menu that appears, select settings. Now at this point, go to the audio category and ensure you're in the audio subcategory. So if you're in compact mix, simply select audio and then scroll down and find the voice chat section and then find the voice chat mode option. Now you should see a drop down menu appear. So click on it and then you should see two options. So there's an open mic, which you can talk through your microphone, and then there's push to talk, which you have to hold a button so that you can talk. So if you choose the one that you prefer, so if you want open mic, select open mic, and if you want push to talk, select push to talk. Now you'll have to know which hotkey to press whenever you want to talk. If you have selected this option, rather push to talk, you have to press a hotkey. So to find the hotkey, all you have to do is click on the keyboard section and then find the communication category and then scroll down and find the voice chat section, and you should find the push to talk option. Now you can see the key that will be used for you to talk during a match. So that key, you have to press it during a match so that you can talk to your teammates. Alternatively, if you're on a PS5 or an Xbox, you can simply click on select controller and then choose communication and then scroll down and find other communication section, and you should find the push to talk option. And from here, now you'll see the key assigned to hold to talk. So that's basically it on how to change the voice chat modes on Marvel Rivals. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.